Is your vertigo all in your neck? Medical doctors use over 50 different medications to try and control vertigo. But many people are unaware of a common cause of dizziness or vertigo that can be helped naturally and without drugs. Dr. Michael Burcone in Michigan has done excellent work in researching the connection between the upper neck and conditions like vertigo, Meniere's disease, tinnitus, and others. Burcone has established a common link between these conditions and whiplash injuries that misalign the base of the skull with the top of the neck, creating an issue that affects the eustachian tube. About half of these traumas are caused by car crashes, and the other half from injuries involving head trauma. Burcone believes that the correlation was not previously made because it takes an average of 15 years from the time the patient was injured until the onset of any symptoms. Patients typically get diagnosed with these conditions in middle age. Their injuries, most often, happen during high school or college years, from a car accident, sports injury, or a fall on their head. Few patients list these old injuries on their doctor's admission paperwork. In fact, they have often forgotten about them, believing they were not hurt if they were not admitted to the hospital. In Dr. Burcone's research, he saw over a 90% improvement in patients diagnosed with vertigo after receiving upper cervical care. As much as 25 to 50% of people will experience dizziness or vertigo following a whiplash injury, such as those common during a motor vehicle accident. Many times, this dizziness will subside after a few days, but it could linger for weeks, months, or even years. Long-term studies show that symptoms may persist in up to 45% of patients with significant whiplash. When the cause is addressed with an upper cervical chiropractic procedure, amazing recovery can take place. Have you been diagnosed with vertigo or other related conditions? Are you looking for a drug-free vertigo relief? Have you ever had your upper neck thoroughly evaluated to see if the underlying cause could be there? Well, today could be your day. Dr. Jean-Paul Bohemier is trained in upper cervical care, a specific procedure designed to detect and gently correct atlas misalignments. To learn more about upper cervical care, call us in our Calgary office at 403-266-2283. Or visit our website at www.drbohemier.com.